Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to use dual WhatsApp in your phone Samsung. It applies to all Android Samsung phone. First of all, go to settings of your phone here, then go to advanced features. Go to advanced features and here select dual messenger and here turn on the button against WhatsApp here. Okay, just to turn on this button and it will ask you to install second copy of WhatsApp. Just click on install and yes, second copy of WhatsApp is now installed on your phone. And go to home page and see here two WhatsApp icons are showing, so you can sign in into two accounts of WhatsApp without signing out of each one. First one is original and the second one is duplicate copy of the first one. Okay, so you can sign into two accounts of WhatsApp. Okay, this is second copy of WhatsApp. So in this way you can easily use dual WhatsApp in your phone, Android, Samsung, all phones. Okay, whether it is A series or M series or all series, you can use this method for using dual WhatsApp. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.